Welcome to Aiden's garden. Aiden and his family are growing vegetables. They fenced in a fourth of their backyard for their garden. 2/3 of their garden will be used for tomatoes. What fraction of Aiden's backyard will be used for tomato plants? Let's take a look at our cubes. We are going to circle the numbers in their labels, a fourth of their backyard, and 2/3 of their garden. We're going to underline our question and box in our important keywords. Even though it's already circled, we are going to box in the word of. And what fraction? Our answer should be in the form of a fraction. So take a minute to estimate. So if a fourth of the backyard is for the garden and then 2/3 of that is for the tomatoes, then our fraction needs to be less than a fourth because we're finding the fraction of the whole backyard is covered with tomatoes. Here is a visual. This is the section covered by tomatoes. Aiden and his family are growing vegetables. They fenced in a fourth of their backyard for the garden. Two-thirds of their garden will be used for tomatoes. What fraction of Aiden's backyard will be used for tomato plants? Well, here's his garden. If it's 2/3, then I want to split it into thirds. I'm going to do my best to be as accurate as possible. I want my pieces to be even. So 2 of these thirds are going to be covered in tomato plants. So we are looking for what fraction of the entire backyard will be used for tomato plants. So let's break our picture up. First of all, we took his backyard and we broke it up into fourths. Then we took the garden and we broke it into thirds. This section right here is used for tomato plants, and this section over here is used for tomato plants. So what fraction of the entire yard is covered in tomato plants? Does your answer make sense? Did you answer the question being asked? It asked for a fraction of the backyard. So your label should be of the backyard. Compare your answer to your estimate. Does it make sense?